We're here at Carz R Us today, and we're talking about how can I increase my car's gas mileage or my fuel economy. And there's a lot of things that play into that, but main things from a maintenance and repair standpoint on your vehicle. Number one, the vehicle needs to be aligned and in good alignment, because if the wheels are fighting each other, you're not going to get good fuel economy. Number two, we could do a fuel flush or a fuel system cleaning service with a machine that flushes the rail, cleans everything inside of there to make sure the system is operating properly. Number three, tire pressure. This is a big one. Checking your tire pressure. Remember, when weather changes, it's going to fluctuate the tire pressure. So make sure you're checking your air pressure at least monthly. Number four, air filter. This is out of a car that we serviced. That is not going to allow the engine to breathe. If it doesn't breathe, it's going to hurt the fuel economy. And number five, spark plugs. You can see here, this spark plug is rusted, and there's no, at the top, we should have an electrode, a tip on the spark plug. When that tip is gone, more fuel goes through that does not burn, and therefore it does not give you good fuel economy. So all of these things are things that you want to think about as you're getting, especially upwards in mileage, even 30,000 miles. The GDI vehicles, gas direct injection, you're going to want to service those fuel systems regularly and starting at 15 to 30,000 miles. Give us a call over here at Carz R Us in Machesney Park with any questions, or give us a call to schedule your service appointment.